Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about if graphics are getting restocked soon. Let's head into it. Restock cards. PC gaming in particular is experiencing a comeback. In 2020, all of the Steam game platform's peak statistics were broken. 21% more games were purchased, and 50% more hours were played. For months, we've seen gamers scavenge for high-end gaming, camping out in front of stores, crashing websites, and most importantly, paying exorbitant prices. Many have been unable to locate the high-end RTX 3080 card she desires, forcing her to pay in advance for a less powerful 3070 that is currently on back order. The ultra high-end was also affected by the shortage. Several people told me they'd been looking for a 3080, which starts at £649. However, due to the scarcity, some people paid £1,399 for the Semi-Pro 3090, which was the only high-end card available. A dedicated graphics card or GPU is required if you want to do any serious gaming. An office PC may work fine with built-in graphics power. It can cost half as much as a gaming PC or even more. One of the reasons for the high demand is that the new cards are actually much better than many people expected, with performance gains of 50 to 90% over the previous generation. It's nearly impossible to find a retailer that has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 in stock. The $699 graphics card is currently sold out everywhere, unless you want to pay exorbitant prices for it. Restocks for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 do occur from time to time, but there are few and far between. To aid you in your search, we've compiled a list of retailers selling the GeForce RTX 3080 and highlighted the best ones to keep an eye on. It's also worth signing up for these retailers' alerts to be notified when the RTX 3080 returns to stock. If you're desperate for a GeForce RTX 3080, you could consider purchasing an MSI gaming PC that includes the graphics card. Speaking of machines with the GeForce RTX cards, NVIDIA has revealed the laptop versions of the RTX 30 series, suggesting that a new gaming laptop could be a good way to get a GeForce RTX 3080.
NVIDIA RTX 3000 graphics are here for gaming laptops. These are the specs for these new laptop GPUs.
With the rumored upcoming refreshed G15 laptops with RTX 30 series graphics, Dell may have the answer. If you've given up hope for the RTX 3080, see if you can locate an AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. NVIDIA RTX 3080, latest stock updates. As of April 1, there was no stock of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, and it doesn't appear that this situation will change anytime soon. The ongoing NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 stock shortage is being blamed on raw material shortages and the Chinese New Year.
So you might be thinking graphics card shortages can't possibly get any worse at this point. Well, they just might.
NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Where to buy? The GeForce RTX 3080 is currently sold out at almost every major retailer. As a result, your best bet is to grab an RTX 3080 as soon as one becomes available. But with a little patience, it should be back in stock soon. Make sure to check the retailers to see if the RTX 3080 is still available. Here's one tip: save all of your payment and shipping information on the retailer's website so you don't have to waste time filling it out. It can mean the difference between getting NVIDIA's latest GPU and walking away empty-handed. Many UK hardware stores have also sold out the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. In addition, the websites of Overclockers and Scan, two major PC component retailers in the UK, appear to be down. We're guessing it's because of the RTX 3080's burgeoning popularity. As a result, your options are currently limited to NVIDIA and eBuyer. However, we'll keep an eye out for the RTX 3080 on other websites. If you're desperate for the GeForce RTX 3080 performance, a pre-built PC with a graphics card installed might be a good option. Origin PC will allow you to build a desktop with an RTX 3080 graphics card. iBuyPower follows suit with a quartet of PCs featuring the RTX 3080 alongside powerful AMD and Intel processors. An RTX 3080 GPU can also be added to an Alienware Aurora, or top pick for the best gaming PC. The Infinity X10 gaming PC with the GeForce RTX 3080 is available from CyberPower in the UK. The graphics card has a good specification, but expect to pay more than £2,000 for it.
The next component today, our graphics card. This is the Asus TUF RTX 3080.
Also, keep in mind that all the PCs listed above are fairly expensive, with prices hovering around $2,000, and many have already sold out or are in the process of selling out. The GeForce RTX 3080 is one of NVIDIA's most intriguing graphics cards in recent memory, both in terms of performance and price. So don't be surprised if it's difficult to locate for a few more weeks. What do you think about the RTX 3000 series? Did you manage to get one? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.